Today, our topic is my body parts. These are my eyes. This is my nose. This is my hair. These are my fingers. This is my head. This is my shoulder. This is my tongue. This is my elbow. This is my eyebrow. This is my teeth. This is my stomach. These are my toes. This is my waist. This is my forehead. These are my cheeks. This is my foot. This is my hand. This is my neck. This is my tooth. This is my knee. This is my arm. Thanks for watching.